So now both devices, if I tap on the home button here, are off. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my iPhone 5 here, which the power button is up top, and the Samsung Galaxy S power button is on the side. So I'm going to press them both at the same time, and let's see which one powers up faster. So 1, 2, 3. So it looks like Apple lit it up first, Apple's iPhone 5. Let's go ahead and wait. Now both devices are running the latest operating system for Android and Apple. Looks like Apple started out first, but Samsung is... Oh, looks like the iPhone came in faster. And then the Galaxy came in a few seconds behind. So that was the power up test. Now let's go ahead and jump more to other things. Alright, so the Samsung Galaxy S offers so many features and support of all kinds. Let's go ahead and get started. It supports 3G, 4G LTE, and also HSPA+, depending on the carrier that you buy it from. Also, of course, it's running Android 4.2 Jelly Bean with a touch of TouchWiz, which is, of course, Samsung overlaid on Android. Samsung owned TouchWiz. Of course, the screen resolution is 1920 by 1080, which gives you 441 pixels per inch. That is the Super AMOLED 5-inch diagonal screen. And of course, it has a built-in GPS, accelerometer, thermometer, humidifier, which is really cool. Now, the back-facing camera is a 13-megapixel camera with an LED flash. The front-facing camera will be a 2-megapixel camera with autofocus. Of course, the panorama shooting, sound and shot, recording video, 1080p video recording from both cameras, and much more like autofocus and things like that. It offers so many features, guys. Now, of course, it, like I said, supports 3G, 4G, Bluetooth, NFC capabilities, mobile Wi-Fi, hotspot, and also Wi-Fi support, of course. Now, we got the expandable memory, which goes on the top. You can buy an extra expandable memory to expand it up to 32 gigabytes of storage. You have mini USB support for the bottom, which can go out to HDMI. We also have a 1.6 gigahertz processor built into this model. The international model also offers a 1.8 gigahertz